top 5 thermal camera for phone for orders. Please check video description. This is the first and super duper infrared P2 Pro thermal camera for phone, infrared thermal imager, night vision. Okay, 600 plus sold and 100 plus reviews. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. Second one is 57% discount and first one is 50% discount. This is the discount price, and second one is 57% discount and this is the discount price. This is also TOOLTOP T7 Android Type C thermal imager, and third one is 50% discount and discount price $239 US, 110 sold, 32 reviews. This is the P2 Pro. Okay, fourth one is 50% discount, 1800 US actual price, but 50% discount, 949 US, 8 sold, 1 reviews. InfiRay T3 Pro. Wow, if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Thermal imager for Android Type C, and last one is InfiRay Xinfrared T3 infrared thermal imager, monocular night vision thermal camera for Android phone, outdoor hunting with laser. Okay, and 50% discount. This is the discount price. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description.